Good day, Engineerlands. My name is Jexel Yuan L. Jimenez, a fourth year BS Industrial Engineering student at Bulacan State University, and I am applying for the position of Quality Control Specialist in your manufacturing industry. As a certified Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt and Safety Officer 2, I bring valuable knowledge in process improvement, quality assurance, and workplace safety. My training and coursework have strengthened my attention to analytical thinking and ability to apply quality control tools and safety standards effectively. I also enjoy problem solving, especially identifying the root causes of defects to maintain high product quality. Through academic projects and hands-on training, I have gained experience monitoring production outputs, assessing product quality, and collaborating with teams to develop solutions. I always prioritize following safety protocols and company quality guidelines. So I am eager to apply my skills, learn from industry professionals, and contribute to maintaining excellence in your products. I am motivated, adaptable, and ready to grow in the field of quality control. Thank you, and I look forward to the opportunity to work and learn with your team and company.